Today we're transforming a kitchen with a professional backsplash installation. This project takes just hours, but delivers lasting impact. Choose between traditional tiles or modern peel and stick options. Each material offers unique benefits in durability, style, and maintenance. Proper wall preparation ensures longevity. Clean thoroughly, repair any damage, and create a precise measurement grid for perfect alignment. Professional results come from attention to detail. Master these cutting techniques for clean edges and perfect corners. Grouting is an art that brings the design together. Choose your color carefully. It can dramatically change the final look. Your new backsplash not only looks stunning, but offers practical benefits. Simple cleaning keeps it looking fresh for years. A professional-looking backsplash transforms your kitchen while protecting your walls. This simple upgrade adds value and style to your space.